In this video, we listed the 17 best garage inventions for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Rolling Pneumatic Creeper. The Torin ATRHL 6201B Heavy Duty Rolling Pneumatic Creeper Garage Shop Seat is an ideal tool for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts seeking comfort, mobility, and functionality while working in a garage or workshop setting. This creeper features a padded adjustable seat designed to provide ergonomic support during prolonged tasks. Its pneumatic height adjustment system ensures easy and precise seat height customization to suit different work surfaces and positions. The creeper is equipped with a durable steel frame that supports up to 250 pounds, ensuring stability and longevity under demanding conditions. For added convenience, it includes an integrated tool tray storage beneath the seat, allowing users to keep their tools, parts, and accessories within easy reach. The smooth rolling casters provide effortless mobility, allowing users to move freely around the workspace. Its vibrant red finish adds a stylish touch and ensures high visibility in a busy shop environment. Product 2. Product name: Magnetic Wristband. The RAK Magnetic Wristband is a practical and innovative tool designed for DIY enthusiasts, handymen, and professionals who frequently work with screws, nails, drill bits, and other small metal components. This wristband provides a convenient, hands-free solution to keep essential items within reach during tasks, reducing the need to constantly search for or retrieve these small items. Key features: powerful magnets. Embedded with strong magnets, the wristband securely holds screws, nails, and other metal objects, preventing them from getting lost or scattered. Durable construction. Made from premium ballistic nylon, the wristband is designed to endure heavy use, making it a reliable addition to any toolkit. Lightweight and comfortable. Despite its durability, the wristband is lightweight and ergonomically designed, ensuring it can be worn comfortably for extended periods. Adjustable strap. The adjustable strap ensures a snug fit on various wrist sizes, making it suitable for men of all ages, from dads and husbands to grandpas. Product 3. Product name: Dual Laser Garage Parking Assist Guide System. The Fosman Dual Laser Garage Parking Assist Guide System is a convenient and highly effective tool for ensuring precise parking in garages. Designed for automotive use, this system incorporates dual laser beams that assist drivers in aligning their vehicles perfectly within their parking spots. Its key features include: wider angle upgrade. The system's upgraded design offers a wider laser coverage, making it suitable for larger or multiple vehicles parked side by side. 360-degree adjustable parking sensor. The lasers can be adjusted to accommodate different vehicle sizes and parking configurations, ensuring accuracy regardless of the car's orientation or height. AC adapter and battery backup. This system includes an AC adapter for consistent power and a battery backup to ensure functionality during power outages. Easy installation and operation. The device is easy to mount on the ceiling of the garage and can be set up to activate automatically when a vehicle enters the space. Product 4. Product name: Dual Lens Endoscope Camera. The Enikit Dual Lens Endoscope Camera is a versatile inspection tool designed for detailed visual diagnostics in hard-to-reach areas. This device features dual lenses that allow for comprehensive viewing from different angles, enhancing visibility and reducing blind spots. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, it provides sufficient illumination in dark environments, such as pipes, automotive engines, or tight crevices. The endoscope uses a Type-C connection, ensuring compatibility with most modern smartphones and devices. Its semi-rigid snake cord extends up to 9.8 feet, offering flexibility and stability to navigate through curved spaces. Additionally, its IP67 waterproof rating makes it ideal for inspecting wet or damp areas like sewers or drains. This camera is suitable for a wide range of applications, including plumbing, HVAC maintenance, automotive repair, and home inspections. Its durable build and high functionality make it a practical choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Product 5. Product name Iris USA Screw Organizer. The Iris USA Screw Organizer is a versatile and highly functional storage solution tailored for organizing small hardware items, tools, and crafting supplies. This 44-drawer parts cabinet features durable plastic construction, making it ideal for storing screws, nuts, bolts, and other small parts. It is also a practical choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts looking to keep items like scrapbook accessories or art supplies well organized and easily accessible. Key features of the Iris USA Screw Organizer include: compact and space-saving design. Its black, stackable design maximizes storage efficiency, allowing for easy placement in workshops, garages, or crafting spaces. Durable and lightweight construction. Built with high-quality plastic, the cabinet balances durability with portability. Customizable drawer layout. The drawers are easy to remove and reconfigure, accommodating a variety of items of different sizes. Multi-purpose use. Suitable for not only hardware and tools but also for creative and hobby-related storage needs. Product 6. Product name Horisty Wall-Mounted Storage Bins. The HORUSDY wall-mounted storage bins parts rack is a practical and versatile solution for organizing tools, hardware, and small parts in a garage, workshop, or shop setting. This 30-piece organizer set is ideal for men who value efficiency and neatness in their workspace, making it an excellent gift option. Key features: wall-mounted design. The bins can be mounted on the wall to save floor space and keep work areas uncluttered. This setup ensures tools and parts are easily accessible while staying organized. Variety of colors. The set includes bins in blue, orange, and red, allowing for color-coded organization. This is particularly useful for sorting screws, nails, bolts, and other small items by type or size. Durable plastic material. Constructed from heavy-duty plastic, the bins are designed to withstand regular use in rugged environments. They are easy to clean and resistant to damage from most common chemicals or solvents. Versatility. Suitable for storing tools, fasteners, crafting supplies, or even household items, the storage system can adapt to various organizational needs. Product 7. Product name Rolling Creeper Garage Shop Seat. The Torin TR6300 Red Rolling Creeper Garage Shop Seat is a versatile and comfortable padded mechanic stool designed for use in garages, workshops, and auto repair settings. This creeper seat enhances productivity and comfort by allowing users to perform tasks at a lower height while providing easy mobility. Key features include: padded seat. A thick, cushioned seat ensures long-lasting comfort during extended periods of work. Durable construction. The creeper is made from high-quality materials to withstand rigorous use and heavy weights. Built-in tool tray. It includes a large, convenient tray beneath the seat to keep tools, hardware, and small parts within easy reach, minimizing interruptions. Rolling wheels. Equipped with sturdy, smooth rolling caster wheels, the seat allows for effortless movement across various garage or workshop surfaces. Compact design. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to store and maneuver, making it an excellent addition to any mechanic's toolkit. Product 8. Product name Jackson Palmer 2250 One-Piece Hardware Assortment Kit. The Jackson Palmer 2250 One-Piece Hardware Assortment Kit is a comprehensive and versatile collection of screws, nuts, bolts, and washers designed for DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and professionals. This kit is housed in 3 organized trays, allowing easy access to a wide variety of fasteners for a range of applications, such as woodworking, automotive repairs, home improvement, and furniture assembly. The assortment provides a reliable solution for quick repairs and assembly tasks, making it a practical addition to any workshop or toolbox. With its robust organization and diverse range of components, this kit complements the user's interest in tools and accessories, including those for home improvement, automotive, and crafting purposes. Its compatibility with projects that require durable fastening aligns with the user's existing preferences for high-quality, multifunctional tools like the razor blade scraper tool, Jorgensen mini wood planer, and other specialized gadgets. Product 9. Product name Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator. The Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator is a versatile and reliable tool designed for maintaining optimal tire pressure across various vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. This digital gauge is equipped with a precise pressure measurement range from 3 to 250 psi and offers a high-resolution display with 0.1 psi accuracy, making it suitable for a range of applications, from daily maintenance to professional use. Key features: durability and build. Constructed with heavy-duty materials, the Inflator includes a reinforced rubber hose and a solid air chuck, ensuring long-term reliability and resistance to wear and tear. User-friendly design. The gauge features an ergonomic and easy-to-read digital screen, providing quick and accurate pressure readings. The unit includes a quick connect coupler for seamless integration with air compressors. Versatility. Ideal for inflating a variety of tires, the gauge can also serve as a diagnostic tool for monitoring tire health, ensuring safety, fuel efficiency, and performance. Color and style. The Inflator comes in an attractive blue finish, adding a modern touch to its functionality. Product 10. Product name Smart Garage Door Video Keypad. The MyQ Smart Garage Door Video Keypad is a cutting-edge solution designed to enhance the convenience and security of garage access. It features a wide-angle camera that provides live video and recorded footage for monitoring garage entry points, ensuring peace of mind. The keypad supports customizable PIN codes, allowing homeowners to create unique access codes for family members, guests, or service providers, providing a personalized and secure entry experience. This device integrates seamlessly with Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman garage door openers, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. Additionally, it offers smartphone control, enabling users to manage garage access remotely via the MyQ app. The app allows for real-time monitoring, notifications, and the ability to lock or unlock the garage door with ease. Product 11. Product name Yoast Vises LV for homeowners. The Yoast Vises LV for homeowners Vise is a versatile, durable, and reliable tool designed for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and home improvement tasks. With a 4.5-inch jaw width and a 3-inch jaw opening, this vise provides a secure grip for a variety of materials, making it ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and general repair work. The swivel base allows for easy positioning, ensuring maximum flexibility and convenience during use. Its robust construction and blue finish not only make it functional but also visually appealing. This vise is well suited for homeowners or small workshops looking for a dependable tool to assist with daily tasks, offering a high level of stability and a strong grip for any project that requires clamping. Product 12. Product name Keyter Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer. The Keyter Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer is an ideal storage solution for individuals interested in keeping their tools and DIY supplies organized. This 3-piece rolling toolbox system is designed to enhance garage storage and simplify DIY projects. Made from durable resin, the organizer features a stackable and modular design, allowing users to easily customize the arrangement to suit their needs. It is particularly useful for organizing small parts, hand tools, and accessories. With its rolling capability, the system provides easy mobility, making it convenient to transport tools from one workspace to another. The black exterior offers a sleek and professional look, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it an excellent addition for both home DIY enthusiasts and those in need of efficient garage storage. Product 13. Product name 126 PC Magnetic Screwdriver Set. The ValueMax 126 PC Magnetic Screwdriver Set is a comprehensive tool kit designed for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. This set includes 126 pieces of high-quality magnetic screwdriver bits, which are ideal for a wide range of tasks, from home improvement projects to vehicle maintenance. The kit comes with a plastic racking organizer, making it easy to store and access the tools when needed. Additionally, the set includes a magnetizer and demagnetizer, which are perfect for enhancing or reducing the magnetism of the screwdriver bits, ensuring precision and ease of use. The versatile range of bits in this set allows for tackling various screws, whether in electronics, furniture assembly, or mechanical repairs. It's an excellent choice for both men and women looking to have a reliable and organized screwdriver kit. The ValueMax 126 PC magnetic screwdriver set is an excellent home improvement gift, catering to users who appreciate having the right tools for every job. With its quality build, organization system, and magnetizing features, it serves as an essential addition to any toolbox, providing efficiency and convenience for any task. Product 14. Product name Garage Door Lubricant. The 3-in-ONE Garage Door Lubricant with Smart Straw Sprays 2 ways is a versatile and efficient product designed to keep garage doors running smoothly. It helps reduce friction and noise, ensuring the proper functioning of various components such as tracks, rollers, hinges, and springs. The 11-ounce can features an innovative smart straw that sprays in 2 directions, allowing for precision application in hard-to-reach areas, which ensures an even and thorough distribution of the lubricant. This lubricant is specifically formulated to prevent rust and corrosion, extending the life of your garage door system. It works well in both high and low temperatures, making it suitable for year-round use. The non-greasy, residue-free formula prevents buildup and ensures that components remain free of dirt and debris. Ideal for homeowners looking to maintain their garage door systems easily, the 3-in-ONE Garage Door Lubricant provides a simple solution for enhancing performance, reducing wear, and minimizing the need for costly repairs or replacements. Product 15. Product name DeWalt 20V Max LED Work Light. The DeWalt 20V Max LED Work Light, DCL050, is a versatile, high-performance flashlight designed for both professional and DIY use. It features a pivoting head, which allows for flexible illumination angles, making it ideal for working in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Powered by the DeWalt 20V Max lithium-ion battery, this rechargeable work light ensures long-lasting performance, offering a reliable light source for extended periods. While the DCL050 does not include a battery or charger, it is compatible with DeWalt's 20V Max battery system, meaning users can easily swap in a charged battery from their other DeWalt tools. The work light's LED technology delivers bright, clear illumination with reduced power consumption, and it is built to withstand tough job site conditions, featuring a rugged design. Product 16. Product name PowerBlock Large Column Stand. The PowerBlock Large Column Stand is a robust and versatile storage solution designed for home gyms, specifically for organizing dumbbells and weights. Featuring a sleek silver and black color scheme, this stand combines functionality and durability, making it a great addition to any workout space. It is ideal for users who need an efficient way to store their PowerBlock adjustable dumbbells and other weight equipment, offering easy access while keeping your gym area tidy. The large column stand allows for better space management and supports heavy-duty use, making it a reliable choice for individuals who prioritize both organization and efficiency in their fitness routines. Product 17. Product name ULAB Scientific Lab Jack. The ULAB Scientific Lab Jack, model ULJ1001, is a versatile, heavy-duty lift platform designed for laboratory settings and other applications requiring precise height adjustments. Constructed from durable aluminum, it offers a sturdy and reliable solution for elevating equipment, instruments, or materials with ease. The platform dimensions are 4.8 inches by 5.5 inches, with a maximum lifting height of 9.5 inches. This makes it suitable for various tasks such as supporting lab glassware, microscopes, or other sensitive equipment. Its robust construction ensures stability even under heavy loads, making it an ideal choice for use in research, industrial, or educational environments. Whether for experiments, assembly, or material handling, the ULAB Scientific Lab Jack provides a practical and efficient way to adjust the height of items safely and accurately.